Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time out to be here today. I will be cleaning out my husband's truck. It needed it badly. I hope that you enjoy today's much needed and satisfying video. I wish that this was for the video, but this is a real life mess. I was telling my husband that it looks like somebody took a garbage bag full of stuff and just dumped it all over the back seat, but I promise you, this was just real life. My husband is a very hardworking man and he is a very busy man. That is why the truck looks the way it does. That is not an excuse, I know, for either one of us to let our truck get this bad, but that is just kind of the backstory to why the truck looks the way it does. He does work a full-time job and we have two businesses that we run. He does a majority of one of the businesses and I do the other. So he doesn't have a lot of time, plus he's coaching this time of year. I think that lasts probably like 3 or 4 months, so he is very busy. So I wanted to quick pick up all the trash in the car first and get out the remainder of like the toys and clothes that were in the truck, and then I wanted to head over to our local car wash to vacuum everything out. Cleaning out a vehicle on camera is really hard, so I tried to get some really good angles for you guys, but I did have a difficult time with it, so I hope that I got some satisfying shots for you. Real quick, in next week's video, I'm going to be doing a video where I tell you a little bit more about myself, so I'm going to be giving some random things about me. So if you have any questions or anything that you want me to let you guys know about my life, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. There was a lot of bad places in the truck, but this is probably the worst. Although it looks very summery and nice and warm out, it was sunny, but it was about 32 degrees this day. It was very cold out, so I just used some hot water and dish soap, and then I used my power drill attachment to scrub the floor mats. Next, I was just moving on to wiping everything down on the inside of the car. I didn't have any interior car cleaner, so I just used some warm water with vinegar and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I honestly don't remember the last time this truck was wiped out. You have got to see the water at the end, but it was so nice for my husband to be able to get into a nice clean vehicle to go to work in, and he was very appreciative.
Sunshine and moonlight, I fade into stars up in your eyes. Yeah, I'll take a million of these nights. I could stay forever.
I really wish that I could have washed the outside of the truck. You'll see in a couple clips here how dirty the outside of it is. My husband's parents live on a dirt road, so we're frequently going down that. But the car wash line was just too long, so I'll just have to do that another day.
Sunshine and moonlight, I fade into stars up in your eyes. Yeah, I'll take a million of these nights. I could stay forever, forever in your arms. Sunshine and moonlight, I fade into stars up in your eyes. Yeah, I'll take a million of these nights. I could stay forever, forever in your arms.
Told you that water was disgusting. But anyways, moving on to the interior of the windows and all the mirrors in the car. The windshield was by far the hardest thing to clean. If any of you have ever done that before, you know. I know that I always find car cleanouts extremely satisfying and relaxing to watch, so I hope that this did that for you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, and I will see you in the next video.